I bring to you the new Nuna Bryn High Chair. I'm Emilio from Bambi, and I've been reviewing baby gear for over 30 years, and I'm here to help guide you down your shopping journey. The Bryn High Chair is going to come in two beautiful colors, shown here in walnut, and it's going to come in a light natural. It has a removable machine washable insert, removable 3-point harness with Magnatech buckle, very easy to access front tray. The footrest has 3 positions to adjust to your child's height. The anti-dive bar is also removable to approach countertop or table. If you're looking for a versatile, elegant high chair, the Bryn High Chair might be the chair for you. Please visit bambibaby.com for any questions or comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that little bell to be notified anytime I post a video like this. Comment which is your favorite down below. If you have any questions, feel free to call 877-882-2624 or email us at cs@bambibaby.com. To stay in the know, follow us on all of our other social media channels like Instagram and TikTok for daily content. If you're in New York or New Jersey, visit any one of our 4 locations. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more video content.